Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by making the dairy base so flavors develop properly. Warm 2 cups whole milk and 1 cup heavy cream over medium heat. Stir in 3/4 cups sugar until dissolved. Once the liquid is warm, whisk the cornstarch slurry into the pan to thicken gently. This replaces eggs as a binder and yields a creamy texture. Keep stirring and bring to the edge of simmer. Do not boil. Make sure to scrape the pan edges so nothing sticks. Then remove from heat and add 1 tsp vanilla. Once your base is thickened to coat a spoon, take it off the heat. You've achieved the cooked custard necessary for body and safety. Immediately transfer the pot to an ice bath and stir for a few minutes so residual heat drops fast and prevents overcooking. Make sure to strain the mixture through a fine sieve into a clean bowl to remove any bits. Cover the bowl and chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight, so the flavors fully marry and the mixture firms for churning. You now churn the cold base in your ice cream maker until it reaches a soft set consistency. Follow the machine's run time, but stop when it's thick and airy. Once churned, transfer quickly into a shallow, airtight container to reduce large ice crystals and press plastic wrap on the surface to limit air contact. Freeze for 2 to 4 hours until scoopable. If the gelato becomes icy, don't panic. Stir in 1-2 tablespoons of liqueur or increase cream. Next batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.